Hubby wanted to clean the garden and at least paint one wall with Olympic paint. I wonder if we could still do all that today. By the way, that X3 is also made locally. He also promised to go window shopping for those amazing DeFi products I want for our new home. I need to book my boss's flights for that garden route tour he wants to take his clients on. Can't wait to cook hubby's favorite meal when I get home. Some chicken and veggies it is. We'll down that with wine and beer. Yummy. I can hardly wait. And of course, my favorite part of the day, a nightcap, as I watch my favorite content on television.
Come on, Mzansi. Living lekker locally is a lifestyle.
Good night, South Africa. Buy local to create jobs.